Hi friends, this is Bhagat Singh. Welcome back to our channel BRILL Learnings. Today in this video I will cover previous year maths questions related to CTET Paper 1 which was conducted on 7th February 2026. Let's do this first problem. What is the difference between the greatest 4-digit number and the least 4-digit number formed by using the digits 1507 once? We have to use these 4 numbers only once. Okay. So they have given 1507. These are the 4 numbers. Greatest number, in order to get greatest 4-digit number, just arrange them in descending order. Okay, 7, 5, 1, 0 and reverse it. But if I reverse these numbers, it will become 3-digit number. That is why what I'll do first, I'll write 1 here and then 0, then decreasing order. So this is our least 4-digit number. Okay, now they are asking the difference between these two numbers. Okay, take the difference. So 3 here, so 5, 4, 6. 6, 4, 5, 3 is the right answer here. Second one is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. Ananta has 5 dozen chocolates. Initially, she has 5 dozen chocolates, which is equal to 60 chocolates, right? She gives 1/6 of these to Aruna. So 1/6 of 60 chocolates, which gives us 10 chocolates to Aruna. And 1/5 of the remaining. 1/5 of the remaining means I have to deduct this 10 from 60. So I left with 50 only. So out of this 50, 1/5 of the 50 to Radha. Again it is 10 only. Now she then gives 1/8 of the remaining chocolates to each of her other 3 friends. Okay. What are the remaining chocolates? 40 only. Out of this 40, 1/8 of the 40, which is 5, to 3 friends. That means 15 chocolates here. Okay. Total she has distributed 35 chocolates to her friends. So finally what they are asking, how many chocolates does she have? Kanta has. That means 60 minus 35, which is equal to 25 chocolates. So second one is the right answer here. Let's move to the next question. LCM of 96, 120, 160. Find first LCM of these 3 numbers. 96, 120 and then 160. So LCM 4 2s, 4 4s, 4 30s, 4 40s. Again 4. 4 6s are 35. 4 10s are. So 6 1s are, 6 5s are, and then 10. 5 1s are, 5 2s are. So write down here. So 4 into 4 into 6 into 5 into 2. This is our LCM. And we need to divide this whole value with the HCF of 72 into 168. So 72 and 168. What is the HCF of these two numbers? We need to find. So again 4. 4 1s are, 4 8s are, 4 4s are, 4 2s are. Again, so 2 9s are, 2 21s. 3 table, 3 3s are, 3 7s are. Nothing common in these. These 3 are common factors here. So what is the highest common factor here? So 4 into 2 into 3. This is our HCF now. Cancel all these values. So 2 1s are, 2 2 cancel. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. 40 is the answer here. But they haven't given the right answer here. That means it will be a scoring to all. Let's move to the next question. 8 samosas is 156 rupees. That of 4 idlis is 98. Here we need to find the unit price of samosa and idli as well. Okay. 8 samosas cost 156. That means each samosa cost 156 by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 9s are 72. 4 left 8 19.5. That is 19.5 rupees each samosa cost. Now 4 idlis cost is 98 rupees they have given. So each idli cost 98 by 4. 4 1s are, 4 2s are, 4 4s are, and 4 5s are. So 24.5 rupees. Okay, each idli. Now she has 200 note only, and she buys 3 samosas and 3 idlis. First find the value of 3 samosas and 3 idlis. 19.5 plus 3 into 24.5, which is equal to 58.5 plus 25 3s are 75 minus 1.5 means 73.5, which is equal to 132. Now the question is how much money is left with her now. So deduct this 132 from 200. That is our answer. 68 is the right answer here. She left with 68 rupees only. In this question, we need to share 24 liters 650 ml of milk into 29 bottles of each same size. Okay, so that here we will get each bottle's capacity. Okay, so how can I do that? First convert this 24 liters 650 ml into total ml. 24,650 ml. This should be distributed for 29 bottles. Okay, so 29 ones are 29 eights are. So 29 eights are means 160 plus 72. That means 230. So left with 246 minus 232. 2. So here it is 1450. So 29 is 145. So 0. So each bottle, now these 29 bottles we have shared. So each bottle capacity is 850 ml. Now the question is the quantity of the milk in 15 such bottles. That means we need to multiply this value with 15. That is our answer. So we'll get the total quantity here. So 500, 5 5 are 25, 5 8 are 40, 42, 0, 5, 8. So 0, 5, 7 and 12. So here they have given liters and milliliter. That means 12 liters 750 ml. First one is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. In this question, they have given a cuboidal box dimensions and cubical box dimensions. Along with this, they have given a cubical dice of size 1 centimeter. Okay. So here we need to find the number of dice which are left unpacked. So in order to find that, first find the volumes of cuboidal and cubical box and add up these two values and divide the whole value with the volume of the dice. Okay. So first find the volumes of these two. So volume of cuboidal box is 12 into 10 into 8 plus, and cubical box means all sides are same only. So 9 into 9 into 9. Add up these two values now. So 12 tens are 120, 128 are 96, 960, 729. Add up these two values. So 960, 729, 9, 8, 16. 1689 is the volume of these two. Okay. So what is the volume of the cubical dice? 1 into 1 into 1. That is, which is equal to 1689 only. That means we can pack 1689 dice into these two, cuboidal and cubical box. But the question here is the number of dice which are left unpacked. Unpacked means total we have 1800 cubical dice are here. So take the difference. So that is this 1689. We left with our answer. Okay. So how much? Here it is 11 and 100. So 111 dice are unpacked. This is our answer. Fourth one is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. The bag containing potatoes, onions, lemons weighs 46 kgs, 160 grams. So convert these values into grams only. So what is the weight of bag, potatoes, onions and lemons? They have given total 4 weights here. So bag, potatoes, onions, lemons, which weighs 46 kgs, 160. That means 46,160 grams total. Okay. The weight of the potatoes and that of onions is given. The weight of the empty bag is also given. So add up these three values here. So what is the value of potatoes? Weight of the potatoes 17,115 and weight of onions 15,325 and empty bag weight is 120. Okay. So 5 10 means 0, 6, 5, 12. So 32,560 grams. First deduct this value from the total gross value. So 32,560. That means 0, 0, 6, 3, 1. That means 13,600 grams. This is the weight of lemons, total weight of the lemons. Here, what they are saying for 1 kg, how many? First convert this value into kgs. So 13.6 kgs of lemons are available. Okay, lemons. But for 1 kg, how many lemons? That can be here 30 lemons. That means total lemons 13.6 kgs into 30. So multiply these values, we will get the answer number of lemons. 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 9, 10, 3 1s are 3. So total we have 408 lemons here. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The following has or have only 2 lines of symmetry. Okay, we'll check all these options one by one. First one is equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Okay, 1, 2, and then 3 lines of symmetry here. So that is why this is wrong one. Option A. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry only, horizontal and vertical. Okay, if I cut like this, it will not be a symmetry. Why? Because this portion will not overlap with this portion. Okay, that is why. So rhombus, coming to rhombus. So rhombus also has 2 lines of symmetry only, vertical and horizontal. Isosceles triangle means it has only 1 line of symmetry, that is vertical only. If I treat these two sides are equal lines, then it has vertical symmetry only. Okay, so that is why B and C. So second one is the right answer here. Let's move to the next question. The following letters has a rotational symmetry but no line of symmetry. We'll check all these options one by one. First one is M. M has vertical line of symmetry as well as a rotational symmetry. It has one rotational symmetry. That means if I rotate this M for 360 degree, it will come to original position. That means it has one rotational symmetry as well as one line of symmetry. Okay, so coming to O. O is circular shape, right? That is why it has infinite number of line symmetries and infinite number of rotational symmetry. Why? Because if I rotate for any number of any degree, it will look like first position only. So that is why. Sometimes they will give 0. 0 will be in oval shape. It has two lines of symmetry only, vertical and horizontal. Coming to its rotational symmetry, it has two rotational symmetry. That means for 90 degrees, it will be look like this. For 180, it will be like first position. And for 270, again it will be look like this. For 360, it will be like first position only. That is why for rotational symmetry across 0, it will be 2. And line symmetry also 2 only. For O, it is infinite number. Okay. Coming to Z. Z has rotational symmetry. If I fix here and I rotate for 360, it will come to its original position. That means it has one rotational symmetry. But whereas it has no lines of symmetry. Okay, if I put like this, if I project this like this, then in both cases it has no line of symmetry. So that is why third one is the right answer. Let's check both options as well. So X has vertical and horizontal symmetry and it has a rotational symmetry as well. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The pentagonal pyramid has, first draw a pentagonal pyramid. That means it has a pentagon as base. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all these other sides will meet, other faces will meet at apex point. That is, these all are triangular faces only. Okay, so total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 side faces and at the bottom has a pentagon. That is what total faces as 6. And coming to vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total we have 6 vertices. And now count the edges. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total edges we have 10. Now check the given options one by one. 6 faces, 6 edges. First one, 6 faces, okay. 6 edges, 10 edges. So first one is wrong answer here. Let's check second. 6 vertices, okay. 5 faces they have given. So this is also wrong. Third one, 6 vertices, 6 faces. This is right here. 5 faces, 5 vertices. That is wrong. So third one is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. The table here shows the number of visitors to a library here, okay. On which day the number of visitors to the library was 29 more than its previous day. We need to find the difference from previous day to its following day. Okay, so whichever gives the 29 value, that is our answer. So let's check Wednesday. Wednesday is 141 here. Okay, and difference previous day is Tuesday. That means 114. What is the difference here? 6 and 41. This is 27. So wrong. First one is wrong. Friday. Let's check second option. Friday means it is 124 and the previous day is 95. Here it is 29. So second one is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. Sum of the next two numbers in the pattern. First, write down the pattern here. 3, 10, 32, 99, dash, dash. Here, we need to find the values in these two blanks and then add. We need to add those two values. Okay. So, if you observe the pattern, it is getting multiplied by 3 and then 1 is added. So, here also 10 is multiplied by 3 plus 2. 32 is multiplied by 3 plus 3. Here, what I have to do? So I have to multiply this 99 with 3 and then I have to add 4. Next I have to multiply this number and then add 4. So first find these two numbers here. So 99 3s are, so 300 minus how much? 3, 297 plus 4. So 301. Here it will come 301. So 301 into 3 times, which gives me 903 plus 5, which is equal to 903, right? So add up these two, 301 and 908. That is our answer. So 1209 is our answer. Second one is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. What is the sum of all prime numbers between 12 and 49? Here they have mentioned between word. That is why we should exclude these 12 and 49. However, these two are not prime numbers. Okay. So write down all prime numbers between 12 and 49. Okay. So 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. So these are the prime numbers we have in between 12 and 49. We need to add up all these values. Okay, first, what you need to do, 30s are 2, so 60, 40s are 3, that means 120, 20s are 2, 40, 10s are 3, 30. Add up these values first, 0, 7 and 8, 15, 250. Now add up these values. 3 plus 7 units value, 10, here 110, and 9 plus 1 here, 10. So 9 plus 1 here, 10. So 3 plus 7, 10 here, 3 plus 7, 10 here. How many 10s here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 10s here, that means 50. Total 300 is the right answer. So first one is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. It is a simplification question. First, calculate the multiplications here. First one is 101 into 210. So 1 ones are 1, 1 0 0, 1 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 0 0, 2 ones are 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 0 is here, that is a 0. So first one is this value. And 120 into 1 not 2, 2 0, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 ones are 2. So 0 means directly I can 2, 2, 1. So 4, 2, 2, 1. This value is this. And find this value as well. 104 into 90. And 4 9 9 4s are 30. 6 9 0 9 1 0 0 3 9 1 are 9. So 936 again. 6 9 2 1 0 1 2 1 0 2 9 6. Now substitute all these values in the equation. So first minus these two values. Okay. So 2 1 2 1 0 minus 1 2 2 4 0. Left hand side portion I am simplifying. Okay, 0 7, here it is 52 4 0, right? 1 9, here it is 8. Okay, 8 9. Now what you need to do, simplify this value in the given expression. 8 9 7 0 is equal to 102 9 6 minus unknown value is x. We need to find the x value here. So bring x here. So 102 9 6 minus 8 9 7 0. So subtract that value, we'll get. So how much it is? 6 2 1 3 2 6. So fourth one is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. Sum of all common factors of 36 and 48 excluding 1. Here we need to exclude 1 here. First write down the factors of each number individually. So 36 factors. 1 we need to exclude, right? So start from 2. So 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4, 5 is not a factor, 6 is also a factor, 8, 9 is a factor, 10, 11, 12 is a factor, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18 is a factor, and 36 is the last factor itself. Now write down the factors of 48. 2 is a factor, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 and 24, 48. Okay. Now, what are the common factors? List out those common factors and add up all. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anything else? Nothing. So, these are the common factors. So, add up these values. 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus, 6 plus, 12. Okay, 12, 6, 18. Here it is 10, 22. 22, 5 makes 27 as the answer. So, first one is the right answer. Okay, thank you. We'll meet in the next video.